Welcome back, Auto Collectors and Diecast, to another episode of Crib's Garage Sunday version here. We're no more Fast and Furious or Speed Racers. Today we're looking at the 1976 57 T-Bird from Hot Wheels, a Larry Wood and Bob Rose's collaboration. Interesting casting. Also made famous in American Graffiti with old Susan Summers chasing Dreyfus around. If any of you guys are old enough to remember that. These had a hard top that came off. And Hot Wheels started out with the casting having a porthole, like the car actually had. And then later on, they took it out for cost saving. So we'll see that change as we go through them. They're metal on metal, tinted window. This one is from the 1978 Flying Colors. It's the original, first one that was released. You got the Thunderbird on the hood. And it's got a Hong Kong base. So there's your first initial one. And then in 1980, they released it in yellow with the same basic paint jobs, or maybe it's tampos that they used then. Still having the porthole, same blue tinted window, black wall wheels, metal base, and I believe this is a Hong Kong as well. Yep. So it was 1982 is when they started without the portholes. Here's a beautiful Spectre Flame red, blue tinted windows. This is an interesting variation here with this one here and this one here. And at first I thought it looked like one had a green window and the other one had a blue, but maybe it's just a fade. But the real variation that I noticed, say it looks green and blue. Not sure if one's faded more than the other, but here's the interesting variation here. This base, you see Hong Kong is stamped on the base. Let's see if I'm correct here. As it spins around, the one on the left has Hong Kong on the base as well, 1977. Oh, it has 1977 stamped on the base. And then this one here has 1981. So, neat little variation there. What else we got here? Oh, and here we go. Here's the Malaysia base. All three of these red ones are from 1982. And then this one here is from 1983, Real Riders. It's when we first saw rubber tires on Hot Wheels. This one has the white hubs. Back then there was only, the Real Riders came with these white hubs like this or gray, which we'll see an example of in a little bit. And this one looks like it's got a kind of a green tinted window. And there's the base. Malaysia stamped over here to the left. 1977 stamped on a bar to the right. And then here we have from 1986 from the Speed Fleet. Beautiful black color, and this one here also has a base variation. May even have somewhat of a color variation, or once it's older, that one seems much brighter. We'll take a look at the bases. Let's see, this one has 1977 stamped on the bar. This one has it stamped on the base. Also has Hong Kong stamped on the base. And I believe the other one will have Hong Kong stamped on the bar. Let's see. Oh no, it has it actually off to the side, not on the bar, which is interesting. You don't see that very often. So there's a nice little variation of that. And we do have a third variation, and that would be this one here with the Malaysia off to the side and not on the bar. This is a Real Rider, so it's even more of a variation. And the Real Rider also came out in 1986, and that's the gray hub I was talking about. Goodyear tires printed on there. Metal on metal. It's kind of a super treasure hunt today. Today's Hot Wheels. And then in 1988, we have this turquoise one here. And it's just the main line. Different tampos. And I believe they still metal base, Hong Kong. And here's another one. This one was also from 1988, so it was probably the paint variation of that era. And then 1989, we got this one from Auto Magic. It was a color changer. You can see it's chipped up, and these color changers tend to look like this when they get old. I'm not sure what you did with this one, if you put it in water or heat it up somehow and it changed colors, but that's what that is. And this one has a metal Malaysia base. And then from 1990, the parking plates. This is the one that I just picked up. It has the white wall wheels on it. Pretty sweet condition for a car that old. I actually have the T-Bird license plate thing that came with these parking plates somewhere in my storage. And then we got 1991 mainline here. This is now has a plastic base from Malaysia. Has kind of a 80s airbrush along the side there. And then we have also from 1991 the McDonald's giveaway in red interior, white plastic base. I do have the 1992 gold Gleam Team one, but I didn't want to bring it out. Also the white one with some orange and green tampos from the 1990 collector numbers, but they were too hard to pull out. But I do have those. Let's see what's next. I guess it would be this one here, which is 1994 Golf promo. Came in a baggie and has the Golf livery logo on the hood. Also has the plastic base and has a very dark, almost looks like it's, I don't even know if it's tinted or blacked out. Yeah, it's very dark tint. Very dark tint windshield. And then last but not least is the 2020, pretty recent, so they were still making them up to 2020. The flying colors. This pink with Blackwall wheels, also known as basic wheels, and it's got kind of a Spectraflame peak with yellow and orange tampos, and I see they kept out of it with a chrome plastic base. So that's it for the Hot Wheels 57 T-Bird. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.